In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the time zone in Quotex. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then inside the dashboard, I want you to scroll down until you find the gear icon at the bottom left corner. I want you to click on it because this will open up so many options. And for us to be able to change the time zone, I want you to click this selection right here. Now, if your chart time doesn't match your local time, or maybe you have recently moved to a different country, all I have to do is click the drop down menu and you can select the time zone that you wanted. Okay, so you can choose from UTC, 9, 11, 13, it's up to you. Alright, for example, we're going to be choosing this one, plus 11. And all I have to do, the changes will be taken effectively. Now, if this doesn't work, the next thing that you need to do is hover down at the bottom right corner. You need to manually change your time zone. Click the three dots and click the adjust date and time. So from here, you need to manually check your device system and then change that time zone accordingly. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can change your time zone in Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.